Sometimes I'm feeling high, but sometimes I'm feeling low. I wanna stay inside, I could call my bed my home. I've been trapped inside my mind.
Who's that? Oh, this is my Mini Cooper R50. That's about it. So I'm going to take you through a little tour of this car. So if you want to come down here, we have got the aero front bumper, which I put on. Shorter number plate, which matches Matt's Scirocco number plate, which you will see if you go and watch his tour. We've got the 2 spotlights, which are really well wired in at the moment. They will be wired in at some point, just haven't got around to it. And we've got the Broke and the Girl sticker, which glow in the dark. We have the mini badge in black. It doesn't sit flush, but it's good enough. And obviously the 2 grills, that's a real genuine John Cooper Works. These are aftermarket stuff. We have tinted lights and the wrapped surround, which you've seen in loads of pictures. Our friend did that. Obviously the whole car is colour coded bumpers around the whole thing. It was mainly one of the perks I bought it, and not good. I'm gonna have to chuck this in here. It's had a respray, and it's white, which they didn't make minis in white. So
you got one off?
Yeah, I think there's one in Florida, and most of them are in the States. So I think there's like 3 I know about. Wheels are standard at the moment. I have got some wheels in mind that we're going to go for. Obviously calipers are red, I didn't do that, they kind of like it. That's pretty much it. Up here we have the wrapped wing, and we also have my Instagram in the little side scuttle thing.
You can see us.
We have the clear
LED
side repeaters.
They're LED, aren't they?
Yeah, they're LED. Hang on. Like that. I was going to get the tinted ones, but we got them and we was going to tint them, but we actually thought they actually work quite nice with the whole black and white type of thing. We have got the aero side skirts, but I haven't got them on yet, so they'll be pending. Nothing really too
Any
much
stickers
to see. The YouTube, the Instagram, make sure you follow both of them. We have a nice white roof, which is supposed to be black.
Nice and frosty.
At the back, it's absolutely filthy. But we have tinted lights, which Matthew did. The black rear mini badge, Broke Girl sticker, rear wiper delete, the aero rear bumper. So we are just pretty much waiting on fitting the side skirts, which I have, and they've been painted. We have the shortened number plates, and we've got 2 really annoying squares of silver, because when I removed the last number plate, someone obviously didn't remove these Velcro bits, so that's the actual colour of the car there, which is nice silver. And oh, I forgot to mention as well the door handle caps, which they are in black. I bought them off Wish. Don't buy them off any sites in the UK, because you get charged for 25 quid plus, and you can buy them.
How much are they off Wish? Right.
£16, and then like £2 shipping or something.
So it is cheaper. Yeah.
They might not be as good of quality, but
they've been alright.
Come off, I'll just put the tape on them. And we have obviously a sunroof. 2
sunroofs?
Yeah, that bit basically goes back onto that one. We've got the stubby aerial as well, which I don't think is standard, but I didn't do that. I'm going to show you the lovely state of my boots. I haven't prepared for this tour at all. So we have a edge sub, which is literally sitting so flush in there. Basically, I can't move this seat. This seat holds that sub where it should be. Auto finesse kneeling pad and cleaning accessories, some tools, air compressor for my tyres. That's pretty much all that's in my boot. Obviously, as you can see, I've got a hammer
and a shoe
and some sliders. You never know.
You never know when you need to get them toes out, do you?
You know, I might be bored on some day, my feet might get hot.
Yeah.
Never know. So let's get inside the car. Welcome to the inside of my car. I have 4 leather seats. They are heated. At the moment, I'm freezing sat in this car. I have the Pioneer stereo, which I'll show you. I can't even think what it's called. Pioneer. All matches, so it's set up for this way, but it all matches the colour. And like you can go on, I can press on this phone, it'll go to that, I can go on message, you know, all of that jazz. So I've got that, I've got the screen instead of the big speedo, which I do really like.
Which is a lot nicer,
a fan of the, and it just makes the car look a little bit newer. I have a fluffy gear stick thing. This was from
Fluffy
Wish.
ball.
Fluffy. I have a, does it say Momo? Yeah, Momo, which probably isn't Momo, because I bought it off Wish, but it fit and it's quite nice. Also the suede gaiter for that with white switched. Stitch. Also the gaiter for that as well. Obviously sunroof controls are up here. I'm probably gonna, yeah.
Oh, I actually did it.
It's a little juddery because it's a bit frozen. Oh, excuse me. Thank you.
Red lights.
Yeah, I've got red interior light, and these are really cool because they're like a little blind. Because in the summer, this car does get boiling hot. Let's finish the sunroof. And I think that's pretty much it. I've got cruise control on here, and I'll be changing the steering wheel very soon because the 2-spoke steering wheel is so ugly. A few little air fresheners like hell, should we say, auto finesse, dash cam, very important nowadays. Don't know what's in here.
A load of rubbish.
Load of CDs and a sat nav.
And
I don't even have a CD player in here, so that doesn't really make
there's another air
sense.
freshener. No. Deadly air freshener.
Yeah, some air freshener that I need to get rid of because it doesn't even match the colour scheme anymore.
And you've got some white and black car mats.
Oh yeah, white and black mats, eBay. Pretty much the entire contents of this car has been built via eBay or Wish.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a great thing. The under tray is cable tied on.
But then to be fair, like 80% of untrays are.
True. I want to get all of this painted in black with a few little stickers. Door cards, I want the whole leather to be turned into suede. I want the circle bit going around in black. But I want the bar going across in white with the little leather armrest in suede as well. I think that's pretty much all I can say. I don't think I've missed anything, have I?
Don't think so.
So it's got a hydro.
Ooh.
Don't need a rod. How many 2003 cars do you know that have a rod? So obviously I have my sub lead going through there, which I love how it sits in there.
It's not bolted or anything, is it?
No,
It's like
it literally
perfect.
just sits so nice in there. Have my Ram air filter, which I really like. It's probably one of my favourite things. I'm going to get new leads for these, I think in red. And that's about it. Obviously it's a 1.6, it's not a Cooper S, so can't really map it. It's not going to be the quickest car. For a 1.6 it moves, and they're a pain in the arse to work on.
Yeah,
And
just look, where's the room? Where is it?
Yeah, exactly. Like you can barely get, you can get your hands down a few gaps. Like even like filling up the oil, it's all the way back there. Coolant's all the way back there. So it literally means like laying over the car to do it. Loves oil. That's what I was going to say.
All minis do.
Minis love oil. That is pretty much about it, I think. So.
Oh, you got your front stickers and sun strip.
Oh yeah, I've got a Eurodope sun strip. Obviously Matt's got a sticker at the bottom on his car, but we do really like the guys at Eurodope.
Yeah, it's just nice people, aren't they?
Yeah, but obviously you can't really see it because it's black on black. And I've got the like hell sticker because I think it's more of a Jack thing. Because I've seen it mainly on Toyotas, the like GT86s and stuff like that. But I don't care. It's like hell.
Yeah.
Pretty mean.
And I'm about out of hell.
So that is it. Yeah, this is my car. We've got some.
Are you happy with your car?
Yeah, there's a few things I want to buy and purchase some new wheels. I want to lower it a bit because it's not lowered at the moment. I'd like the GP wing, but I think I'll probably have to sell you before I get that.
Yeah, you need to get a mortgage out for that.
Yeah, so that's my Mini.
It's a very nice little Mini. Ooh, sexy.
The back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear. I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear